Good evening, students. This is the class for BA Part First, and the paper is second paper. I will tell you today about the agriculture, the cereal crops. The term cereals include various types of small plants which have calorie seeds. The most important cereals are, we all know, rice, wheat, maize, corn, maca, barley, rye, oats, millet, and sorghum. Now I'll come to directly to the rice. Rice is indeed one of the oldest type of cereals recorded in the history of mankind. This tropical and subtropical crop display great affinity to the monsoon land. The cultivation of rice in intensive subsistence agriculture, जिसको सघन कृषि बोलते हैं, became synonymous with agriculture. The culture of Southeast Asia and rice cultivation is tied up in such a way that both are inseparable with each other. It is very difficult to trace out the origin of the rice crop, but evidence revealed that it could have originated somewhere in South Asia. There are some physical and economic conditions for rice growing. उसके राइस ग्रो करने के पीछे कुछ कारण होता है, कुछ फिजिकल कारण होता है, भौतिक और कुछ आर्थिक. Rice is most widely grown under varying physico-economic conditions. It requires the following necessary conditions. Which are those conditions? Rice is essentially a tropical crop and thereby requires hot and humid climate. The temperature ranges between 20 degree to 27 degree centigrade. Rice can be best grown in the regions with good fertile soils. It can be grown under varied conditions of soil, but deep clayey loams are best suited to the growth of rice. Unlike many other crops, rice needs a level surface to ensure annual flooding of the fields. Its most ideal habitat is therefore the great riverine floodplains of the world. Floodplain is the ideal condition for the rice growing. Gangetic floodplains and the delta, the Yangtze-Kiang, the Xinjiang plains of China, these are the ideal plain areas for the rice growing. Rice cultivation also requires a large supply of cheap labor force. Varieties of rice. Rice can broadly be classified into two main groups, Japonica and Indica. Japonica is a type which is best grown in the high latitudes with mild climate and is highly responsive to the application of fertilizers. Cultivation of Japonica variety predominates in Japan, Korea, and some other countries. Indica, grown in most of the Asian countries, is a crop in contrast to Japonica of low latitudes. So far as the yield per hectare is concerned, Japonica varieties yield more per hectare than Indica varieties. Monsoonal Asia. In monsoonal Asia, almost all the coastal lowlands and wet alluvial valleys are used most intensively for rice growing. And outside the countries of monsoonal Asia, despite the fact that rice growing is of secondary importance in many non-monsoonal countries like USA, ठीक है, जहाँ पे दूसरे कृषि भी होते हैं. वर्ल्ड प्रोडक्शन ऑफ राइस. अगर हम वर्ल्ड प्रोडक्शन की बात करें राइस की, राइस इज एसेंशियली अ सबसिस्टेंस क्रॉप. द एसेंशियल प्री कंडीशन फॉर राइस ग्रोइंग are the climate, water, and soil. Monsoonal lowlands of Southeast Asia is the most outstanding region. So there are few countries like first of all China. China outranks all other countries in the world in rice production. Rice is intensively cultivated in China from the time immemorial. Sichuan rice region, Yangtze rice wheat region, Southwest rice region, double cropping rice region, rice tea region. These are the rice region in China. The southern and southeastern provinces of China with warm and humid climatic conditions. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world, being surpassed only by China in gross annual output. Rice is traditionally the most important crop in the country and thereby accounts for about 30% of the food crops acreage. Rice is grown in almost every corner of the country, but the greatest concentrations of rice cultivation are in the floodplains, deltas and coastal districts. बांग्लादेश में भी राइस प्रोडक्शन होता है. राइस कल्टिवेशन इज ऑफ पैरामाउंट इम्पोर्टेंस इन बांग्लादेश एंड द कंट्री रैंक्स थर्ड इन राइस प्रोडक्शन in the world. Japan, rice is the staple crop of Japan. Unlike many other countries of monsoonal Asia, rice is cultivated almost everywhere in Japan on the alluvial plains with the help of irrigation water. Rice growing in Hokkaido is restricted only to Ishikari basin in the south because of severity of climatic conditions in the northern segments. ये छोड़ के साउथ ईस्ट एशिया एंड अदर producers in Indonesia, the third largest world producer of rice, the fertile alluvial plains of Irrawaddy in Myanmar, Vietnam, Thailand, Sri Lanka, Cambodia, Taiwan, Philippines, Malaysia, these are the also important rice producers. So these countries produce rice mainly. Thank you.